Did you know an entire village fell asleep and never woke up, and nobody heard a thing? On August 21st, 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide from deep beneath its surface. It had no color, no smell, no sound. It rolled across the ground like an invisible tide, filling every low space, every home, every breath. 1,746 people died where they sat, mid-meal, mid-conversation, undisturbed, no burns, no marks, no sign of panic, just silence. And right now, two nearby lakes, Kivu and Manoon, are holding the same pressurized gas beneath their surfaces. Scientists have known for decades. It is not a matter of if, only when.